Okay guys, so let's start with one whole pineapple peeled, and now I'm gonna cut it into chunks and I'm gonna add it into my blender. This recipe is so refreshing, so good, and super easy, as you guys can see. It takes no time. We're also gonna need about 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and juice of 3 limes. We're gonna add it into the blender with the pineapples. And I just want to say, as you can see, I have 2 pieces of pineapple left over. What I did, I just cut into chunks and place it in the freezer, and then you have a nice refreshing little treat for later on. The last step we're going to do is just add a lot of ice. That way it could be nice and refreshing and cold. We're going to cover this up, and now it's time to blend. Blend, blend, blend away. And if you want like a slushy type of lemonade, pineapple lemonade or limonade, you can just simply add more ice and then you get the slushy effect. And you want to blend this for about 1 to 2 minutes. That way it's very, when it comes out, it's nice and smooth. You don't get like little pieces of pineapple. Now we're ready to serve into my mason jar. We're going to add our delicious pineapple lemonade or limonade. I'm still calling it lemonade, even though I used limes. Piece of lime and fresh pineapple on the mason jar, and that's about it, guys. Super delicious, refreshing pineapple lemonade. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you guys can make it very soon. I'll see you on my next video.